Hi friends, today's May 10th. I am doing a studio day. I am going to be doing some admin because our show River Cloud is releasing on Saturday. So the admin is going to be coming up later today, but I thought I'd start off my day by beginning to sketch out my layout for the commission that I am making. And this commission is going to be going into the town hall of the township that I grew up in. And so my father is the mayor. For full disclosure, two full disclosures. Number one, I'm really tired because I talked, my last 3 museum shifts, I just talked so much that I feel like I can't talk today. So I'm planning to not talk a lot today. Second disclosure, the commission was commissioned by my father, who is the mayor of the township. And so he wanted to purchase one of my pieces last year when I was at home in the show that I showed you that happened in my hometown. But I really didn't feel like any of the pieces in that show were representative of something that would be appropriate for hanging in the town hall. They didn't have any real connection to the place itself, and because he wants a piece to hang there, I really feel like I needed to make a piece that would reflect that connection. And so that's what I'm doing right now. It's going to be a fall scene of the river that goes between the 2 towns, one where I went to high school and the one that I grew up in. So that's what I'm starting to work on today. I did some little thumbnail sketches deciding on the layout, and I'm now kind of planning out the process, and then I'm going to start going through fabric. This is going to be a paint and stitch combo. I don't think I'm going to use any photo transfer in this. I feel like building it more just with the fabric and stitch will be more appropriate for the feel for this piece. So I'm starting to do that today, and then like I said, I'm sending out my newsletter subscribers are going to get a sneak peek of the show. They're going to get to look at it before anyone else, and the official launch is on Saturday. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm working on. I did book some studio days in the hall, but not until June, so they won't be in this vlog. So all the studio work that I'll be doing this month, I'm going to be doing here at home, and I'm going to share with you as much as I can. It's been a weird second quarter, I'll tell you that. April was just ridiculous, and now May feels like it's a bit better, a bit slower, a bit more calm. There's a bit more space to breathe, but it's still pretty busy. A lot of things that are compounding for me this month is a lot of different activities that I'd like to be doing are all happening on the same days, so I'm having to pick and choose, and also like figure out my energy level. I just don't have enough energy to do all the things all the time, but then which ones do I go to and which ones do I go to on these different days is super frustrating. So I just find that so funny that, you know, you go months and there's nothing really going on that you want to go to, and then all of a sudden there's 5 things on the same night, which happened in April as well. So it's happening April and May for me. But yeah, that's your update for today, and I'll show you what I've been up to.
Here's a little twist to think about this whole story. She's still alive when her work starts to get disseminated. In 2007 is when her storage locker, when it was found. She had 5 storage lockers. There were more after that. They were re-auctioned, and she was alive for 2 more years. Her work started to be put online at that time. We're in the very early stages of Twitter and irony that as she's being discovered, the people who do know her don't know her name enough or weren't able to put the story together. So there's this little period of time that is pretty unknown because she does emerge in 2009,